Are you ready to put your geography skills to the ultimate test? In the next 60 seconds, I'll challenge you to guess all 15 U.S. state capitals, but only the smartest can get them all right. Hit that play button and let's see if you can name them all. Stay sharp, and let's dive in. What is the capital of Iowa? Of course, it's Des Moines. What is the capital of West Virginia? Yes, it's Charleston. What is the capital of Hawaii? The capital of Hawaii is Honolulu. What is the capital of Utah? Oh, it's Salt Lake City. What is the capital of Wisconsin? Yes, it's Madison. How are you doing so far? Comment your score below and share this quiz with your friends to see who's the real geography pro. What is the capital of Idaho? The capital of Idaho is Boise. What is the capital of Maine? Oh, it's Augusta. What is the capital of Wyoming? The capital of Wyoming is Cheyenne. What is the capital of South Dakota? Yes, it's Pierre. What is the capital of Mississippi? Of course, it's Jackson. Can you guess the next 5 capitals correctly? Make sure to subscribe for more trivia challenges like this every week. What is the capital of Nebraska? Oh, it's Lincoln. What is the capital of New Mexico? Boom, it's Santa Fe. What is the capital of Ohio? Yes, it's Columbus. What is the capital of Florida? Great, it's Tallahassee. What is the capital of Virginia? All right, it's Richmond. How many did you get right? Challenge a friend to beat your score, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes every week.